Okay, hi everyone. Today we're going to have a short review of the new Nimbus Atomizer by Jeeps Vaper and St. Qui Vaper. Here it is. Uh, okay, so as you guys can see, there's a logo. It says Nimbus, and there's 3 stars and a sun. So very patriotic. This Ati, its diameter is 20 millimeters. Okay, let me show you that. And of course, the height would be 25 millimeters. So here. Okay. It also has a Spitback Protection. Later we'll show you guys some pictures of it. We'll flash some pictures. It's kind of tough for you guys to see the Spitback Protection that I was referring to earlier with this angle. Of course, it has a juice well as well. Okay. On this build, I currently have quad coil build, so again, it's kind of tough for you guys to see it. But later we'll post some pictures of it here. I don't know if you guys can see the juice well, but then again, yeah, there's the quad coil build. Okay, I was able to make that quad coil build because of the 3 terminal posts that you guys have seen earlier. So that's the basic feature of this Nimbus Atomizer. Okay, so with this atomizer, first and foremost, let's talk about rebuilding this atomizer. Again, just like what I mentioned earlier, it has 3 poles. It's easy for you to build those poles because it already have holes in it, just like typical atomizers that you're seeing right now. It has Phillips screw type screw in it. What else? It's easy to do quad coil and dual coil builds on these atomizer. This build that I created, it took me like 5 to 10 minutes to build this. Okay. It's easy for you to insert the wire. So again, it has holes on the positive and negative pole, so you just have to insert the wires, screw it, you're done. Okay, so next thing that I want to talk about with regard to this atomizer is the juice well. Syempre, very important na wala tayong masayang na juice. Here, it has a very nice juice well, and sure na capture lahat ng juice nyo. Aside from that, it also has a Spitback Protection here. So just in case mag-flood yung atomizer, usually medyo yung juice bumabalik. But for this particular atomizer, it has a feature of Spitback Protection, meaning yung juice hindi na siya basta-basta babalik. And then because of that Spitback Protection, yung flow ng juice or vapor rather, mas concentrated. So that's why na-enhance din yung lasa ng juice. Okay, flavor production. As mentioned earlier, because of the Spitback Protection, mas concentrated yung vapor. Papasok sa drip tips, going to your mouth. So, mas enhance yung flavor or lasa nung juice. So, that's it. Okay, so most of you guys will ask, how's the vapor production for this particular atomizer? We're gonna give it a try. Nimbus Atomizer, quad coil build, 18650 AW battery. So let's see how it works. Short drag first. Okay, let's try long drag. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you would ask, how's the insulator of this particular atomizer? So you guys have seen I've used the device running on quad coil build, and here it is still. Okay, so there. By the way, this build, again, quad coil, and then 5 loops each build. So there, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. But then again, this atomizer, I've been using this for like almost an hour now with this build, and just like the way I used it earlier, as you guys have seen it. So far, I'm not seeing any change on the insulator. It's kind of tough for you guys to see it. But then I can say that it's still fresh. No signs of it being burned. Good insulator. Okay, so that's the short review for Nimbus Atomizer. If you guys have questions, just post it on Facebook. You can join Atomizer Talk Philippines, so we can talk about this atomizer and any other atomizer that you guys are using. If you have builds that you want to share, go ahead, join that group. Again, Atomizer Talk Philippines in Facebook. Where can you purchase this? Just go ahead, check this link right here, okay? And this one right here, okay? So, that's it. Have a good one, guys.